Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Paws listing date may be delayed. Recover stolen $PAWS before Christmas. As the countdown to the Paws listing date continues, an unexpected twist has energized the entire Paws community. The announcement of all Paws stolen has sparked a race among users to recover their stolen tokens before December 25th. This festive event, cleverly tied to the Pawsmas celebration, has transformed into a gamified adventure with interactive tasks and challenges designed to engage participants in reclaiming their tokens. The Paws Recovery Challenge. Reclaim your stolen tokens. The recovery initiative is creatively themed around a mischievous green monster, setting the stage for a playful yet purposeful event. Participants are encouraged to complete a series of tasks to retrieve their stolen Paws tokens. These tasks include: My Paws Gone! A direct call for users to report their stolen tokens through the Paws app. Paws Lost, report it. Highlight the loss and submit the necessary details to start the recovery process. #Pawsmas coming. Join the festive spirit by completing holiday-themed challenges while working toward recovery. Lil Buddy almost had M. Go help. Assist the Little Buddy character, adding an interactive element where participants can earn Paws rewards for their efforts. This engaging initiative is more than just a token recovery event. It's a creative strategy to unite the community and keep users actively involved with the platform during the festive season. However, the looming uncertainty around the official Paws listing date adds a layer of urgency and excitement to the event. The glitch that shook the community. On December 19, 2024, at precisely 10:55 and 11 seconds Universal Time Coordinated, a technical issue disrupted the Paws mini app. The glitch, marked by an error code 526 message, came at a critical time, right as the Paws farming season was ending. The timing of the error raised concerns within the community, especially with the Paws listing date, token generation event, TGE, and the much-anticipated Paws airdrop listing date on the horizon. The glitch sparked a wave of speculation, with many wondering if it might delay the listing. While Paws developers worked around the clock to resolve the issue, the temporary disruption highlighted the platform's vulnerabilities during key milestones. Paws farming season, a major growth driver. Despite the glitch, the Paws farming season has been a resounding success. Highlights include: rewarding participation. Users have earned significant Paws tokens through farming, building excitement and trust in the platform. Platform growth. The farming season has brought the Paws platform closer to its goal of reaching 50 million users, solidifying its position as a major player in the crypto space. Rumors of Binance listing. While an official announcement is pending, speculation is rife that the Paws listing date on Binance could be set for December 30th, a milestone that could mark the beginning of a new chapter for the platform. The success of the farming season has also fueled the community's optimism, even amidst setbacks. The road ahead, a community united. The Paws community has shown resilience and hope, even in the face of challenges like the glitch and the uncertainty surrounding the listing. With December's end fast approaching, the focus remains on making the most of Paws token farming opportunities while eagerly awaiting the festive Pawsmas celebration. Key initiatives to watch. The recovery event, a creative blend of gaming and engagement, ensuring active user participation. Pawsmas celebrations, themed events that add a touch of holiday cheer to the platform while rewarding users. The Binance debut, the anticipated Paws listing date on Binance, rumored for December 30th, which could propel the token to new heights. The festive season has brought excitement, challenges, and opportunities to the Paws ecosystem. As the community prepares for what lies ahead, one thing is clear: the spirit of Pawsmas and the strength of the community will drive the platform toward its next big milestone.